everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will share with you how to manage your block diagram. The single line you see here is something that we have completed before. The block diagram is on the top left-hand corner. When you click on it, you can see the utility, the medium voltage switchgear, the transformers, and the LV switchboard part. They are differentiated by different colors. Now you can see the LV switchboard. But at the moment, there is only one. So how do I include another one? It's simple. Just drag and drop. This is the first one, and I have named it MSB1. Let's name the second one MSB2. Now let's go back to the single line diagram. You can see that there are now two boards here. Usually these are linked via a bus tie, and there is a short length of bus bar or copper bars between the two boards. So how do I include that? Basically, I rotate the bus tie, add a busway here, and join the 2 points together. Now this has created a split between switchboard 1 and switchboard 2. This busway has to be pretty short. So go to Properties. The pathway length is normally 3 meters, but you can change it to 0.5 meters because it's inside the switchboard. Now we can run the calculation. Earlier, in the block diagram, we created MSB2. Click on the bus bar and select MSB2. By doing so, we have now split the LV switchboard into two. Let's take a look at the block diagram again. You can see that it has changed. We now have two boards linked with a bus tie and a short busway. In the block diagram, you can also change the parameters of the switchboard. For example, the circuit breaker standard, whether it is IEC60947-2 or 60898. When you change it to 60898, the components should be modular devices because it's intended for consumer unit type distribution. You can also change the distribution type, the segregation form, insulation class, degree of protection. All of this can be defined here. So this is how you split the block diagram and how you can manage it on your own. You can tidy it up and organize it in whichever manner you want. It's flexible and it's up to you. That's what I wanted to share with you in this video. Do join us for future videos, where we will dive deeper into other parameters of DOCweb. Thank you very much, and have a good day.